Uh, we're delighted as the U.S. Chamber of Commerce's U.S. Kazakhstan Business Council to be able to host the President today, His Excellency, and the broad relationship on the commercial and economic side between the United States and Kazakhstan couldn't be stronger. You see it growing, and Kazakhstan increasingly becoming an important logistical hub for American businesses as they look to have secure supply chains. So the broad economic relationships piggyback on the very broad, strong political relationship that exists between the United States and Kazakhstan. We are seeing that economic relationship become more broad and more diverse. So I think that it is a very optimistic time for American companies vis-a-vis doing business in Kazakhstan and Kazakhstani companies forming partnerships with American companies.